favorite ko dito. Dito na kayo.
In a world where everybody paints a happy ending story, it's a wonder love that can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down and turn your face into a frown. You get along with a little prayer and a song. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile. Now it's time to kiss away those tears goodbye.
Ang gaan sa pakiramdam, may pag-asa na susulyapan. Katuwang mo ko sa lahat ng pinagdaraanan. Hindi mo na mararamdamang mag-isa ka lang.
Mas madali nang malalampas